Now all of you see. So today I am going to begin from question number 12. Question number 12, you can see. Here first part, e to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 plus 2b square minus 1. It's clear? Now we will change it in the difference of two perfect squares. कुछ टर्म मिला के उनको क्या बना देंगे, परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बना देंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन सी here this is a to the power 4. You take out minus sign common from these three terms. When you will take out minus sign common, what will you get? B to the power 4 minus 2b square plus 1. माइनस साइन लेने पर क्या होता है, साइन चेंज हो जाते. Now this is a to the power 4. Now this you can write as b square का whole square. 1 you can write as 1 का whole square. So you can see here it is x square plus y square. It is like x square plus y square. What is in place of x?
b square.
B square. What is in place of y?
1.
So you try to write 2xy. So 2 into b square into 1. This is equal to this. ये दोनों क्या है, बराबर. It is clear? So see here. Now you can see these three terms are equivalent to what? These three terms are equivalent to x square minus 2xy plus y square. This is equals to how much? X minus
x minus y का whole square.
It's clear? So see here. This will become here a to the power 4. You can write a square ka whole square. It is a perfect square now. This is a perfect square term. Minus, now these three will become, what is in place of x? B square. In place of y, 1. So it is b square minus 1 ka
whole square.
These are the two perfect squares. One perfect square is this, other perfect square is this. Perfect square means whole square. And here it is the difference. Means now it is like x square minus y square. What will be the factors of this?
X minus y into x plus y.
X minus y. What is in place of x here? Now, if you compare this with this, what will you get in place of x? Who can tell?
A square.
A square. What is in place of y?
b square minus 1.
B square minus 1. So in one bracket, x plus y, that is a square plus, in the other bracket, a square. And when you will do the minus, so sign will be changed. Minus b square plus 1. So have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now see here. Question number 12, second part, very simple. You take out x common. 12, second part. X cube minus 25x. You take out x common. When you will take out x common, what will you get? X square minus 25. Further you can do. आगे क्या कर सकते हैं, कर लिए.
25.
It's clear? Yes, you
Yes,
can
sir.
write it as x square minus 5 square. It's clear? So it is x in one bracket x plus 5, in the other bracket x minus 5. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Now see here. You can see one more question. Question number 13. Minus 32. It's clear? How will
Yes, sir. So we will take out the highest common factor 2. Factor
क्या
2.
करेंगे
Common
आगे?
factor 2.
So we will take 2 factor.
Ah. Now see here. You take out 2 common. So when you will take out 2 common, x to the power 4 minus. It's clear? Now this is 2. X to the power 4 is x square का whole square. And 16 is what? 4 का whole square. So what will you write further? गुल बजाज. अब जिससे पूछेंगे वो बताएगा. गुल बजाज.
x square plus 4 x square minus 4 minus 2 x square plus 2 x square minus 2.
X square plus 4 x square minus 4. Can we factorize it further?
Yes, sir.
क्या करेंगे?
No, sir.
It can be factorized further. Here it can be factorized further. How will you factorize? X square minus 2 square. X square minus 2 square. What will be x square minus 2 square? Boलो.
x square plus 2 x plus 2 x minus 2.
X plus 2 x minus. Whether it is clear? X plus 2 x minus.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood? Now
Yes,
you
sir.
see
Yes, sir.
more questions. Now questions are very simple here. If you see the question number 14, first part. A plus B whole cube minus A minus B. Now, Kaniska Chandani, how will you do? How will you begin this?
Sir, we will open
Kaniska
the bracket.
Chandani. Now, don't speak in between.
Sir, a cube.
How will you
plus b
begin?
cube,
Yes.
By writing a cube plus b cube plus c.
No, we will not expand. We will not expand. Expand करना ही नहीं है. If you see carefully, you can find that on taking minus sign common, it becomes a plus b. Minus common लेने पर ये क्या हो जाता है? A plus b हो जाता है. It is clear? So you can see here. It is a plus b whole cube. When you take out minus common, it will become a plus b. Now there are how many powers of a plus b here?
One.
1.
1. And here there are how many powers?
3.
So one power will be common. When you will take out one power common, what will be left here?
A plus B का whole square.
A plus B का whole square minus, and what is left here in place of this? So 1 will be left. It is clear. Now further, what can you do? A plus B in one bracket. This is A plus B whole square minus 1 square. So once again, it is like x square minus y square. What is x square minus y square? X plus y in one bracket, x minus y in other bracket. What is in place of x?
A plus B square. Sorry,
A plus B plus 1. And in the other bracket, A plus B minus 1. आ गया? Have you understood? Now
Yes,
see
sir.
the second part. Minus A square minus 2AB minus B. So if you see, you will find the first three terms are equal to what? ये तीन टर्म किसके इक्वल है?
X minus Y का whole square.
X minus Y का, and here you take out minus sign common. When you will take out minus sign common, A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now these three terms
Your
are
voice
equal
is
to
not clear.
X minus Y whole square. Now these three terms are equal to what?
A plus whole square.
A plus B whole square. So see here, once again it is like x square minus y square. Now in place of x there is x minus y, and in place of y there is a plus b. So what will you write? In one bracket x minus y plus a plus b, and in the other x minus y you subtract minus a minus. So this would be the answer. Now I am going to do 16 and 17. These questions are of same type. For example, this x square plus 1 upon x square minus 11. Now see here. This is question number 16 first part. How will you do? तो देख लो कैसे करेंगे. You can make these two terms perfect square. कैसे perfect square बना सकते हैं? या तो 2 ऐड करें, या क्या कर दे, 2 को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दे. This you know. When you will add 2, जब 2 ऐड किया जाएगा, it will become x plus 1 by x का whole square. And when you will subtract 2, what will happen? It will become x minus 1 by x का whole square. 2 ऐड करने पर x plus 1 by x का whole square बन जाएगा. 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पर x minus 1 by x का whole square. अब हमको यहाँ पर क्या करना है, 2 ऐड करना है या 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. सो यू कैन सी हियर, इफ यू सब्ट्रैक्ट 2, अगर यहाँ पर हम 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट करें, then how much you have to write to make -11? -11 लाने के लिए कितना और लिखना पड़ेगा?
-9.
-9. It's clear? If you write in this way, if we write x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2, if we write plus 2, so -11 लाने के लिए कितना और लिखना पड़ेगा?
-13.
-13. Whether it is clear to everyone? This thing is clear? When you subtract -2, then in order to make -11 here, you have to write -9. When you add 2, then in order to make -11, you have to write -13. अब देख लो, ये ब्रैकेट तो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर हो गया. Now you see in 9 and 13, which one is the perfect square? Which can be written in the perfect square form?
9.
इसको हम 9 को लिख सकते, क्या 13 को लिख सकते हैं?
No, sir.
नहीं लिख पाएंगे. So we will write in this form. We will not write in this form. हम इस फॉर्म में नहीं लिखेंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि 13 परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है. We will write in this form. So see here. Now these 3 terms will become x minus 1 by x का whole square, and this is 3 का whole square. What will be the factors? Priyanshu Tiwari, Avasthi, Priyanshu Avasthi. What will be the factors? Who can tell? Akanksha Tiwari.
Sir, x minus 1 by x plus 3 or x
Yes.
minus 1 by x plus 3. Minus 3, sorry.
It's clear? Means in such questions we have to rearrange the term. और term ऐसा rearrange करना है so that it becomes of this form, a square minus b square. You can see one more. Question 16, second part. X to the power 4 plus 5x square plus 9. If you see it carefully, you will find x to the power 4 is whole square of x square. 9 is the whole square of 3. So it is like a square plus b square. It's clear? Now you make find the term of 2ab. So 2ab. What is in place of a here? What is in place of a?
X square.
It is x square. What is in place of b?
3.
3. So see here, 2 into x square into 3. That is, it is 6x square. It is 6x square. So you will write here 6x square. अब ये 6x square हमको प्लस लेना है या माइनस? How will you check? So if you are writing minus 6x square, तो 5x square लाने के लिए कितना और लिखना पड़ेगा? यहाँ तो 5x स्क्वायर है, हमने लिख दिया -6 स्क्वायर. तो बराबर करने के लिए कितना और लिखना पड़ेगा? हाउ मच यू हैव टू राइट?
plus x square.
प्लस
X square.
नो, अगर तुम प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर लिखोगे then you can see here it will be minus 5x square, but यहाँ पर क्या है? plus 5x square.
Plus 6x square minus x square.
If you write minus 6x square minus x square, it will become minus 7x square. कितना और लिख दे कि प्लस 5x स्क्वायर आ जाए? बोलो, दिस इज -6
Sir,
Plus
plus x
11x square.
plus 11x square. Now you can see here, now this is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Are you written here? Minus 2ab. It is clear? These three terms will be equal to what? These three terms will be equal to x square minus b का whole square, a minus b का whole square. You know, a minus b का whole square. It is clear? But यहाँ पर क्या आ गया? 11x square, and this is not the perfect square. This is not the perfect square. क्या ये perfect square है? नहीं है. तो माइनस साइन लिखने से कोई परफेक्ट सॉल्व होगा नहीं. नाउ इफ यू राइट विद द प्लस साइन, अगर इसको हम प्लस बना देते तब हमको कितना लिखना पड़ता?
Minus x square.
माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. और ये क्या है? ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है. इट इज द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. So here you will write 2ab term with the plus sign. So you can see here I am doing once again here writing. तो ये चीज पहले हम डिटरमाइन कर. It is clear? तुमको क्या लिखना है? That you will determine and then you do. x square का whole square plus 3 का whole square. Here plus 2 into x square into 3 minus x square. It's clear? So first three terms are equivalent to a plus b का whole square, x square plus 3 का whole square, x का whole square. Now it is like a square minus b square. That is a plus b into a minus b. So what will be? X square plus 3 plus x. X square plus 3 minus x. It's clear? Now you rearrange the terms. X square plus x plus 3. X square minus x plus 3. Have you understood? सबको समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see it. A to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 minus. So this you can see that this can be written as a square ka whole square, b square ka whole square. Now you write the term of 2ab. So 2ab will be 2 into a square into b square, because in place of a there is a square, in place of b there is b square. It's clear? It is like x square plus y square. X square is this, so x is a square. Y square is this, so y is b square. So what will be 2xy? It will be this. Now you will write with the plus sign or with the minus sign. So when you are writing with minus sign, what will happen? इतना लाने के लिए हमको कितना और लिखना पड़ेगा? This. It's clear? While this is not a perfect square. क्यों? क्योंकि 5 एक perfect square फॉर्म में नहीं लिख सकते हैं. 5 cannot be written in the perfect square form. So minus sign के साथ तो होगा नहीं. Now when you will write with the plus sign, then how much you have to write here?
-9 square.
Minus
B square.
9a square b square.
Minus 9a
Minus-
square B square.
Yes, you have to write minus 9a square b square. It's clear? This. And 9 each can be written in perfect square form. 9 can be written in perfect square form. So see here, these three terms are x square plus y square plus 2xy. Means x plus y का whole square. A square plus b square का whole square. This is minus 3ab का whole square. So what will be the factors? Who can tell? Now take the difference of two squares. Who can tell? This is like x square minus y square. In one bracket x plus y, in the other bracket x minus y. What is in place of x here?
A square plus B square.
In place of y.
3AB.
So it will be a square plus b square plus 3ab. And here a square plus b square minus 3ab. So now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see here. Question number 18. Express each of the following as the difference of two squares. Means you have to write in this form, a square minus b square form. तुमको किस फॉर्म में लिखना है? this form. Now see here, x square minus 5x plus 7. X square plus 5x plus 7. If you see terms in both the brackets, they are same. Only they are differing in the sign. Terms same है, केवल वो differ किसमें कर रहे हैं? Sign में. X square 5x 7. Only there is the difference of sign. So see here, what will you do? You will write the terms having same sign in both the brackets together. क्या लिखेंगे? Terms having same sign in both the brackets together. बताओ कौन से terms के sign same है?
X square plus 7.
X square plus 7.
X square plus 7 minus 5x. This is x square plus 7 plus 5x. You take x square plus 7 equals to a. So it will be
A minus 5x, A plus 5x.
a plus 5x. So it will be a square minus this. Now a square will be what? X square plus 7 whole square. This will be the answer. You have to write in a square minus b square form. So this will be the answer. You don't write in the next step it as 25x square. Don't write 25x square. It's clear? Now see here the next question. So how will you do? You will identify which two terms are having the same sign. Which terms are having the same sign? You can see here. Which terms are having same sign?
X square.
Only x square. और के साइन क्या है? डिफरेंट. Plus 5x minus 3. And here x square. Now see here, if you take out minus common from these two terms, minus 5x plus 7. अगर इससे माइनस साइन कॉमन ले ले तो क्या बन जाएगा? 5x minus 7 means same as this. Same as this. So you write minus sign here and 5x plus 7 you write inside विनिकुलम. इसको क्या कहते हैं? क्या कहते हैं? कौन सा साइन? विनिकुलम. विनिकुलम का मतलब क्या होता है? जब स्मॉल ब्रैकेट के अंदर ब्रैकेट लगाना होता है then we use विनिकुलम. It's clear? Means these two terms are together. Minus. Here it is minus. Bracket close. So you take 5x minus 7 equals to a. So it will be like x square plus a, x square minus a. So what will you write further? X square का whole square, a का whole square. X square का whole square means this is will be written as it is, and a means 5x minus 7 का whole square. Whether it is clear? आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see you have to evaluate the following. That also very simple. That is not difficult at all. Tomorrow I will begin trinomial. Factorization of trinomial by splitting the middle term. This is 99.9 whole square. So this you have to evaluate by using the formula. So what will you write it? 99.9 plus 0.1. In the other 99.9 minus 0.1. So this will be equal to 100 into 99.8. So it is 998. So it is clear?